How to express dislike. How to express dislike. I am not a huge fan of baseball. I am not a huge fan of baseball. Cricket is not my cup of tea. Cricket is not my cup of tea. I don't really care for cricket. I don't really care for cricket. I am not into volleyball. I am not into volleyball. I am not keen on cooking. I am not keen on cooking. I can't stand cricket. I can't stand cricket. I don't like chicken. I don't like chicken. I don't like to pick up after my kids. I don't like to pick up after my kids. I don't enjoy eating spicy food. I don't enjoy eating spicy food. I don't enjoy talking to my boss. I don't enjoy talking to my boss. I dislike this music. I dislike this music. I hate Mondays. I hate Mondays. I hate bugs. I hate bugs. I hate crying babies. I hate crying babies. They give me a headache. They give me a headache. My least favorite food is spinach. My least favorite food is spinach. My least favorite season is summer. My least favorite season is summer.